Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said India and the US have decided to double the bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030. Addressing the joint press meet after holding bilateral talks with US President Donald Trump at the White House in Washington, D.C. today, Modi said India and the US will continue to advance India-US strategic partnership. The Prime Minister said America plays an important role in India's defense preparedness. Modi said India and America have stood firmly together in the fight against terrorism and both agree that concrete action is needed to eliminate cross-border terrorism.
भारत और अमेरिका आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, सेमीकंडक्टर्स, क्वांटम, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी तथा टेक्नोलॉजीज में मिलकर काम करेंगे। आज हमने ट्रस्ट यानी ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग रिलेशनशिप यूटिलाइजिंग स्ट्रेटेजिक टेक्नोलॉजी, उस पर सहमति बनाई है।
Dismissing report